I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, we are going to be discussing something that I'm sure would have been running in your mind in case you are a CPL holder about the type rating. Basically, what type rating should I do? Should I take an Airbus type rating or should I take a Boeing type rating? हाल ही में एयर इंडिया एक्सप्रेस ने वैकेंसीज अनाउंस की थी फॉर बोइंग 737 पायलट्स टाइप रेटेड एज वेल एज सीपीएल होल्डर्स. वेल, आई एम श्योर ये सुन के आप लोग अभी काफ़ी कंफ्यूज्ड हैं कि कौन सी टाइप रेटिंग लेनी चाहिए, एयरबस या फिर 737, बेसिकली बोइंग. वेल, अगर आप मेरे ओपिनियन के बारे में पूछें, आई वुड सजेस्ट कि व्हेन यू डिसाइड ऑन ऑल ऑफ दिस, हम बेसिकली क्या देखते हैं. हम इंडिया में फ्लाई करना चाह रहे हैं तो वी विल चेक फॉर द एयरलाइंस दैट आर अवेलेबल इन इंडिया. You will have to see the kind of aircrafts that these airlines have. अगर आप इंडिगो को देखेंगे तो इंडिगो has a fleet of all A320s or the aircrafts in that Airbus category. Air India has Airbuses, so does Go Air. And when it comes to Boeings, the airlines that have Boeings are SpiceJet and Akasa as of now. And now with the latest Air India, well, Air India Express also has Boeing 737s. Now what happened with Boeing is when Akasa Air came, it is a brand new airline. There are many CPL holders who without a type rating are still waiting to get placed and they are very hopeful that Akasa will be hiring. Well, yes, Akasa will be hiring, but as of now Akasa is new. And if you remember, after Jet Airways had shut down, there were many pilots who probably didn't start working anywhere. So Akasa as of now has hired pilots with experience. They probably have pilots from SpiceJet and they also have pilots who didn't go anywhere after they left Jet. So as of now, for CPL holders without a type rating, Akasa Airlines has not announced any vacancies. But with their plans of expansion, I am very sure that yes, they will be announcing the vacancies pretty much sooner. However, in the last few years, all the hiring that has happened with the airlines has been 90% for the Airbus. So, getting an Airbus type rating also is not a bad idea. Keeping in mind the kind of vacancies that have been coming up in the past few years. Now, which type rating you want to do, it's completely your choice and also depends upon the money that you have with you. Some people do not prefer to take a type rating and they wait for the CPL holders vacancies to be announced, and once they get hired or once they have the letter of intent, they would rather go and do their type rating. But there are some people who do not want to wait anymore and still go for their type rating. Well, when you take your decision, keep in mind all these things and make the right choice. I over here would not be telling you if Boeing is better or Airbus. It is up to you. You do your research. You make sure what you want and then go ahead with it. And if you choose not to go for your type rating, it's okay as well. I hope my video today will help you a little bit at least. For more such informative videos and updates, stay tuned to our channel Golden Epaulettes. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!